we're going to be making this incredible drink that is really good for your heart, really good for your cholesterol levels, more importantly, boost up your immunity, and also incredible for your skin, right? So there are amazing health benefits about this remedy that I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. So tonight, let's get into this incredible remedy, which is the Minty Refresher Juice. Now, what is this remedy that I'm giving you great for? First and foremost, for any ladies here, if you have menstrual, right, sometimes it can be very frustrating, right? So there are a few things you can do. One is giving a good massage to your feet, right? Taking warm shower, and there are many other things, right? This is definitely one of the incredible remedies that you can try in future, but make sure it's not chilled, room temperature. This will help you to reduce your menstrual cramps, right? So second benefit is this is really, really good to lower cholesterol as well. So for any one of us here who have high cholesterol or anyone in your family, this is a good remedy to consume about once or twice a week. Number 3, if you would like to have beautiful skin, you want to age gracefully, this remedy is also definitely amazing for our skin because it contains incredible contents of vitamin C. But not only that, it is really great in terms of hydrating our skin because many of the ingredients here like guava, like cucumber, right? Lemons, mint, these are all really, really great for our skin. I call this the skin food. So, and last but not least, this is also a really great juice when it comes to hot weather. And not only that, it contains some antibacterial properties, right? So these are the few very incredible health benefits. The elixir of life is in this glass, this bright green, perfect for any time of the day. I really enjoy juicing because again, why would I recommend that to many of us here as well? Okay, for many reasons. Number one, I'm not a person that eat a lot of veg in my day-to-day, right? I admit this, you know, as a microbiologist and a dietitian. You know, I tell people that vegetables are really important, but I find it really hard to eat, right? I've been a picky eater all my life. So juicing is one amazing way for me to have all of my vegetables, right, compressed, right? And I think this is really important because I need a lot of phytonutrients in my body, and same as you, because our body requires 3 to 5 kg of vegetables and fruits intake every day. And even a vegetarian can't eat that amount, right? So juicing is one great way, right? Number 2, people always get confused. Oh, but it has no fiber. It does have fiber. It's called microfiber. But of course, right, you do not have this solid fiber. But to begin with, right, in the first place, you have 2 problems. One is definitely lacking of fiber, but the second thing is you are lacking in nutrients. But most of us, right, majority research have shown 90% of us are lack of nutrients. The fiber is the secondary. So instead of trying to tackle both problems, solve one biggest problem that is the easiest to solve. If I were to ask you, today go and eat 3 to 5 kg of vegetables, if you can do that, then you don't need to resort to juicing. So if you can't, then what if this is the way that can allow you to still take your nutrients? Right? So focus on what you can do rather than what we can't do. This Mark Leong here.